Hello everyone, my name is Matt and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I have a PowerPoint to show you for Mother's Day. This lesson is designed for grade 2 or grade 3. And actually this lesson is something that I taught about 3 years ago, but I never released it as a lesson for sale. And yesterday, one of my loyal customers asked me if I had a lesson for Mother's Day, and I told her I do, but not for sale. So I spent the last 4 hours just reworking the lesson, making it better. I changed a lot of stuff about it, but the basic structure is the same. My students absolutely loved it a few years ago when I taught it, so I just made it even better than it was before, and I'm ready to share it with everyone out there who wants to teach Mother's Day this week. I'm sorry this is a bit late. Some of you may have already prepared something else for your Mother's Day class, but if not, and you want to teach this lesson, you can download it. Just go to the links in the video description below, and you can download it very quickly. I have a store, I have a Teachers Pay Teachers store, and I have a Taobao store that you can find it in. So I really hope you enjoy this. If you do, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. And yeah, let's get into the PowerPoint. All right, let's have a look at this PowerPoint. So as with all my PowerPoints, we have the rules, a little warm up, a place to put your review, and then we jump into the lesson. I'm going to go through this relatively quickly. I know everyone is, maybe pressed for time, so I'm just going to try to go through this quickly and let you know or show you what it looks like. So we have Mother's Day. They have to know how to say it in English. Happy Mother's Day. Your mother should say thank you. Then we go into the basic words of the lesson. So there are 4 basic words. We have a card, a flower, a letter, and a balloon. Okay, then we play the flying words game. One of Teacher Matt's favorite games. Word flies by, students say the word. The first student to say the word gets a point. Okay, I have each picture in here twice. So yeah, a little bit different than normal. Normally I just do each one of them once. But yeah, I have them in here twice this time. So just jump through to the next part. All right, teaching part 2. Now we're going to add an adjective to each one of those words. So first one is a colorful flower. Next one is an important letter, a funny balloon, a birthday card, a Mother's Day card, and a Christmas card. All right, let's say them again. This time I have a blank here, and there's 3 options at the bottom. I'm blocking one of the options with my video, but there are 3 options at the bottom. So a funny is actually behind me. It's there, I promise. So this is just seeing if they can remember the adjectives they just learned. For grade 2, this could be a little bit difficult, so you can have them write these words in their notebook so they have them, they can refer to them during the lesson. But they're all great words that they should know, or words that they will need to know soon. So it's a good lesson for them. And Mother's Day card, colorful flower. Okay, then we have a quick say game. First, we'll say each word again. A funny balloon, an important letter, a colorful flower, a birthday card, a Mother's Day card, and a Christmas card. And then, I say the word, they say the number. Then I say the number, they say the word. You know the drill with a quick say game. Then we go to teaching part 3. So here is a Mother's Day card for you. And then she says, thank you. And we say, you're welcome. Here is an important letter for you. Thank you. You're welcome. Okay? Just a little easy dialogue here. This may be too easy for some grade 3s. Maybe it's perfect for some grade 3s. I taught this to my grade 2. Well, a lesson, it wasn't exactly this lesson, but a different version of this lesson to my grade 2s 3 years ago. And they really liked it. They had fun with it. So that's what I want from my for my lessons. I want them to be fun, and I want the kids to also get to learn. So now we have a guessing game. I made a video yesterday explaining how to create a guessing game. This one's a little bit different. So on the bottom here behind me, move myself to their side so we can see. So there are 3 options at the bottom, okay? So that they need to guess which one it is. You can write their guesses on the board. Then you reveal the answer, okay? So if they guessed a birthday card, they would win points, okay? Thank you, you're welcome. Here is a guess, right? It's a funny balloon. And then thank you, you're welcome. So essentially just have the students guess which one of those 3 words at the bottom is behind the question mark. If they get it right, they can get points for their team. So here is a Christmas card for you. Thank you, you're welcome. I know it's Mother's Day, but just having them learn other words that go with the word card, mother's card, Christmas card, birthday card, it's all good language. An important letter for you. Thank you, you're welcome. Colorful flower for you. Thank you, you're welcome. And here is a Mother's Day card for you. Thank you, you're welcome. Okay. And then we go to teaching part 4. We're teaching the word now. This dialogue was similar to the dialogue that I was teaching out of one of the books I had back then, and I thought it was good, so I'd leave it in there for this. So now we have, here is a Christmas card for you. And then she says, now I have a Christmas card. Thank you. You're welcome. Here is a Mother's Day card for you. Now I have a Mother's Day card. Thank you. You're welcome. Here's an important letter for you. Now I have an important letter. Thank you. You're welcome. Here's a funny balloon for you. Now I have a funny balloon. Thank you. You're welcome. And they're obviously practicing, here, saying here you are, like here is a, shama, or speaking Chinese. Here is a, and then say the word for you. And then now I have that thing that was just given to me. Thank you. You're welcome. And so on. Okay. And then we'll go into the next part. This is just good practice for the students. You can have them come up and practice this. There's a bunch of ways you could do it. Then we have a click away game. So they'll practice the dialogue, choosing one of the words. You bring 2 students up from one team. They can say, here is a funny balloon for you. The other student says, now I have a funny balloon. Thank you. You're welcome. Choose one of the funny balloons. Okay. This case, it's 5 points. And then keep practicing. You don't have to do all of them, but you can practice, have them choose for points. The students like to play the click away game. It's a classic. Okay, then we have the target practice game. This game can be played a bunch of different ways. The way I have it set up on the slide and the way you actually play it in class, it doesn't have to be the exact same. So the way I have it set up is you just bring 2 students up. They do the dialogue. They say whichever word they want to say, and then they throw the ball at the target to get points. So they could say whatever they want. Here's a birthday card for you. Now I have a birthday card. Thank you. They throw, get points. You can use the flashcards and have them hand, as they're saying it, they can choose a flashcard and then hand the flashcard to their classmate. Then they throw the sticky ball and get points. You could add the numbers to the slide. So you could have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then have 6, rings on the target, and then have them throw the ball at the target. Wherever they hit on the target correlates to one of the words. Then they have to say that word in the sentence. That's totally fine. You could do it like that as well. Like I said, the way it's set up here on the slide and the way you actually play in class doesn't have to be the exact same. It's totally up to you. Okay, and then at the end of the class, they're going to make a Mother's Day card. So they'll need colored pencils and paper, and then they can write and draw, a card for their mother. They can draw on one side, write on the other, or you can have them fold their paper. You know the drill when they're making a card. So, yeah, just very simple. You can put this example on the board. Happy Mother's Day. I love you very much. I hope you have a wonderful day. Love, and you can change it to your name. And yeah, that is the whole lesson. Very simple. I hope that you enjoyed that, and yeah, I hope this wasn't too late. All right, I really hope you enjoyed that lesson. If you did and you want to download it and teach yourself, don't forget to use the links in the video description below. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. That really helps out my channel. Subscribe if you're not already. Leave a comment below if you have anything to say. And happy Mother's Day. Goodbye.